Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Zybio TG enzymatic method, a chemistry product. Over here we can see a brand name of Zybio TG enzymatic method, a chemistry product. This is the overall view in front. Here we can see that on the top. This is a short form of product name TG. The product name is Triglyceride TG kit enzymatic method. This kit contains reagent 1 30 ml into 3, reagent 2 7.5 ml into 3. The reference number of this kit is 01.02.02.EC.01. Here we can see the lot number, manufacturing date and the expiry date. One instruction manual inside this kit. This is a C certificate IVD product. We should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using ice pack to maintain the temperature of this kit. Over here we can see the manufacturing address also, as Zybio International, manufacturing from Republic of China. So the origin of the kit is Republic of China. Here's the details of top view. Here we can see the other angles. In this side we can see the brand name of Zybio. On this side we can see the product of chemistry. On this side we can see the brand name of Zybio. This is the overall view of this product. I'm going to unpack this for your reference. Yeah, after unpacking we can see the reagents. I'm going to take this one by one. Here the first one we can see the product manual, product brand name of Zybio. The reference number is 01090202EC01. Reagent 1 30 ml into 3, reagent 2 7.5 ml into 3 for Zybio EXC 200 or 220 systems. Over here we can see the intent to use, summary, principle, reagent compound, storage and validity. These are the stuff inside this instruction manual. I'm going to see the other products. The reagent 1 TG, Zybio TG reagent 1 30 ml into 3 units. Each unit contains 30 ml. Reagent 2 Zybio TG 7.5 ml into 3 units, 7.5 ml into 3. Here we go for summary. Today we can see about Zybio TG triglyceride kit. This kit contains reagent 1 30 ml into 3 units, 7.5 ml into 3 units with one instruction manual. This is a overall view. Thank you.